opened already
So I'm back
since on the
again with
16th
another
of
video. Welcome
December.
back to my YouTube
So
channel.
let's
So this
see how
particular
to make an
video, I'm
application and
going
the
to
courses
be
available in English
sharing
language.
how to make an application at this particular university called Università Politecnica della Marche.
Opened already since on the 16th of December. So let's see how to make an application and the courses available in English language. So this is the application call for all international students, 16 December to 31st January. So these are the deadlines. Then the application fee is 10 euros. You can make a maximum application of 2 in different courses. Then here we can see the programs available in English. So we're going to see the programs available in English language. So these are the areas. Agriculture, economics, engineering, medicine and sundry, and
Okay,
science.
at this point, please, I'm begging you, please press the like
So for
button.
agriculture,
Thank you very much. So let's continue.
you see all of those programs now, they're all in Italian. So the one they did not write English, I'm going to give you an example now. So you see, for this agricultural area, we have only this program in English language. Okay, so you see the way we write it course in English. It goes like that for the other areas. So let's use this as an example. Click here. Come, admission rules for international students. So these are all the admission rules for international students. They said you must first of all have a first degree in food science and food technology. And then even people from other areas will also be evaluated. Then for the English part, it does not require you to have IELTS. You can set high school diploma obtained after completion of a course study of at least 4 years duration and where English is the language of teaching. So you can actually use an English proficiency letter or a letter stating that your medium of instruction during your high school was English language. So any other information that is of importance to you, just go through the page and then you will see yourself. Of course, you need your transcript. Note that to apply, you do not need to legalize or authenticate your documents to make an application. Okay, so let's go and see the tuition fee. So this one is the tuition fee for the current academic section. Okay, so this is the information for tuition fee. 156 euros if you fall under this criteria. Then if you do not, you go for the minimum fees. This is a PDF file. I'm not willing to download it, so you can click it to see the amounts there. So you can also click here to see the scholarship and financial aids available for this particular program. Okay, so these are the information. You see there's an edit scholarship, so you can also check it out. Currently, the information for scholarship for the academic section of 2025 is not available. When it's available, your universities will always let you know and see if you can apply. So this is an example on how to look at the details on a particular course. So we're going to come back here. Now, apply now. You remember this page, so apply now. You create a password. Just fill in this whole thing, your passport number, and then you register. Okay.
So when you now get to this place, remember I said, please note the following programs are not available for candidates who require a visa. So when you get here, please just press next, okay? So you don't get confused. Because this one is for EU students, people who do not require a visa, not for international students. So now this is the portal that is open for you, or rather the profile open for you. So you just fill in all of these details and then you save and then you go to next. It's a very easy process. So you choose the embassy, look very through, look very well. You will see the consulate embassy in Lagos. So that's just it. After that, you can go through this particular column here. Just go for upload for languages or fill in what is there for language, education, and then and so on and so on. You fill in your high school diploma, fill in your upload your transcript, educational system, number of school years. So then you go to application fee after professional experience, motivation, and then your final submission. So if you encounter any difficulty while making this application, feel free to ask me question in the comment section. I also have a paid Telegram group where I offer guidance and one-on-one assistance. You can send me a DM on my Facebook to say you want to join. So I wish you good luck and I hope to see you in another video.